Welcome to this series of short tutorials explaining how to do reproductive analysis in Excel following the instructions in the standard operating procedure linked in the description below. This tutorial is going to show you how to plot data for spawning periodicity. We're going to begin by selecting all cells for females in both month and female mean GSI that have whole numbers. In other words, we're going to ignore these that say a number div/0. So we're going to select 5 through 9 and 0.61 through 0.48. We're going to insert scatter plot. We'll drag this to some place where it's up and out of the way. Then we're going to, as we have in the past, add some axis titles. So this axis is going to be month. And this axis is going to be GSI. And we're going to write GSI. And the values are mean. That'll be plus or minus standard deviation. Next thing we'd like to do is modify this, so we're going to format the horizontal values. We're going to go over here and make sure that this button is clicked, the little chart symbol, and we're going to go through months 4 through 10 because we don't have any data for months 1 through 4 or 10 through 12. The next thing we would like to do is, so these are the mean GSI values, and now we'd like to add the error bars as standard deviation. So to do that, we're going to click on the chart, add error bars. We're going to hover over this arrow and choose standard deviation. Okay, now it gives us something wacky right away. We have to modify this. First, we're going to get rid of the horizontal error bars. Just click on any one of those and click delete. And now we want to modify those vertical error bars. Click on any one of those. We're going to go error bar options, and the error amount we're going to choose custom. And we want to specify the value, so left click in the specify value box. I'm going to get this out of the way. We're going to delete this equals 1 sign and choose the female GSI SD data points or calculations, and we're going to do the same thing for negative error value. Click OK, and now we have the standard deviation for the mean for each of those months in which mean GSI value was calculated.